Monzo Bank App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how digital banking has evolved. Monzo in 2025 offers a fully mobile banking experience with budgeting tools, instant notifications, and international spending. But is it the right choice? Monzo provides 5 free accounts, real-time spending alerts, and integrated savings features. The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming mobile banks are limited. Monzo allows instant transfers, bill payments, and even cryptocurrency tracking, all from your phone. Another advantage is budgeting. You won't believe what happens next when you see automatic categorization of expenses, roundups for savings, and insights to help manage your finances effortlessly. It's ideal for those looking to improve financial habits without complex tools. However, there are cons. Monzo is primarily app-based, so in-person banking is limited. Some features may require premium accounts and overseas admin fees, while competitive, are not always free. Additionally, interest rates on savings are modest compared to traditional banks. In conclusion, Monzo Bank App is perfect for tech-savvy individuals and frequent travelers in 2025 who want a convenient, modern banking experience. It's intuitive, efficient, and packed with tools for managing money. If you prioritize app-based banking and budgeting, Monzo is a strong contender. For those needing traditional branch support, consider hybrid options.